Hey y'all, Boxycharm. This is Boxycharm for the month of February. Looks like I don't have a card. I don't have a card in here. I don't even know what the theme is. Well, anyways, we're gonna do it anyway. First thing I got is this Ciate London Everyday Vacay. That's what the box is looking like. Let's bust it open. So I don't know what nothing retails for, and it's not a card in this box. And I can't even get this box open. So fresh out of packaging, coconut setting pattern. Look like that on the top. Yeah, see the beauty room. Hey, I'm not gonna bust it open because I'm not ready to use it yet, and I have no idea what it retails for. No card, no telling. So I see a set of 3 brushes. I don't know who they're from. Let me bust it open. Alamar Cosmetics. Set of 3 brushes. I'm trying to hold this box. Ooh. I like the way that one look on the top. No, that's probably a foundation brush or something. Bronzer brush. Complexion brush. And brightening brush. Whatever that's supposed to mean. Highlight. Under eye. One of those. Set of 3 brushes. They really pretty, y'all. Glad to have those. Next is First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. They look like this. And again, I'm not going to bust it open because I'm not ready to use it. I don't know the retail price. Next, I got the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. Energize Rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. Silicone free. Yes, I had to take my glasses down to see that. Yeah. That's what it looks like. Again, not going to bust it open. Last thing in the box. I still don't got no card in here. I guess they don't know that they didn't give me no card. I got the Iconic London Day to Slay Everyday Shadow. Has a mirror at the top. And this is what the shadows is looking like. Really, really, really pretty. Big mirror. Yeah. And that is what I got in this month's February Boxycharm. I don't know the theme. I don't know the retail. I don't know what the box is. But this box was $25. And that's all I have for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, like this video. Tell me what you did and didn't like about this box. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Peace.